Happy Saturday. Look at that steak. So my food prep this week is nil because I have, watch out puppy duppies. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 back there in those containers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 breakfasts, which is always my ground beef and liver. So those, I have those left over. And then I have 3 12 ounces of steaks that I had already cooked. And today I purchased online a, what the heck was that thing? Air fryer. So it's supposed to come in Thursday, so that's 3 days. Or Thursday, so I have, and I've already got 3 days worth of suppers. And I could eat ground beef for supper if I need to. So I really don't want to cook anything until that comes in. Oh, my hound's all, there's a dog outside walking, and my hound is thrilled. So today, that's the only thing I made today. Doesn't that look beautiful? I pan fried it in some good old fashioned lard, and pan fried it in that skillet. I heated up my ground beef and liver because I didn't get it all the way cooked last week. It was awful. So I had to reheat it up to finish it cooking. The liver was not fully completely cooked. So this morning, I've been taking 2 or 3 out at a time and then letting it defrost and then re-cooking it so the liver gets done. So I didn't really want that liver and ground beef in my cast iron this morning. So I used that for my steak afterwards. So I just have 1 pan to clean up. But anyway, look at that. So I cut it earlier. Let's see if we can find that spot. I'm going to try it. Maybe I can do it like this. Let's see what she looks like. Oh, that is perfect. Look at that. Not quite medium. A little bit more medium well. I don't know. I don't know enough about steaks to know what the cook job is, but man, oh man, that's what I'm having in a few minutes. Let me see if I can do this. I think that's too small. Come on. Just come off so I can taste you. I just used, what did I use? We're going to try it this way. Let's stab it with the fork. And you can just look at salmon for a minute. I just used my typical, this time I used no salt, my Redmond salt, and just a hint of garlic salt. I did not use the Himalayan salt today, and no pepper, but this is what I used for my steak this just now. What is it? It's almost noon. So if I eat this bad boy, I will definitely be doing OMAD today. 1 meal a day. So I'm about to eat this bad boy. Oh yeah, let me taste it. That slap your mama good. If my mama was here, I'd just have to slap her. That's some good stuff, Maynard. So yeah, I'm going to eat that today. Like I said, it's almost 12. So I'm going to eat that, and today's going to be an OMAD. And I've got enough stuff for tomorrow. But as soon as I get the air fryer, I will show you all how it works and how I do it. What I've been thinking about doing is in the evenings when I get home from work, dropping a steak in it, and then have that for the next day at work. So that's kind of my game plan, just to kind of free up my Saturdays a little bit. I still have to cook the ground beef on Saturdays, along with some liver, but I can do that in the crock pot, so it's not like that's a horrible, tedious thing. So, yeah, that is literally my only food prep today, was this big bad boy. That's a ribeye, and now life is about to be good. So, all right, I'll catch you all later as soon as that air fryer comes in and as soon as I know how it works. I will show you.